Took 3 trades to do when I should have taken 0. Not even in my plan. Just tried to take a continuation. I don't even know why I took it. And of course it stops me out by 2 ticks and then it works out, of course. Of course it does, because why wouldn't it? Today I had to take my wife to work, so I came to the charts late, but the main plan here was that everything was bullish, close, bullish, trend. Open was bullish above value area high. I was opening above H3 now, so I want to take a long from a dip down into value area high. Or if it opened above H3, which it did, I want to take a dip down into H3, which I don't think any of that really happened. So we do open above H3, don't quite come down to H3, but even if it did, I wouldn't have had a chance to enter. So market opens here, rallies, but I probably would have tried to take some sort of retest or something down into H3, which is 76.54. So I would probably wait for something somewhere here, or now that it's rallying, maybe some sort of pullback. But buying bounces came in. You see that 20 range delta divergence, 1 minute delta divergence, and then probably a B shape down there. But I probably wouldn't have gotten an entry here, even if it did pull back a little bit. I don't know. That's a lot of delta there. Aggressive sellers coming in. There is 2 minute delta divergence there, but besides that, not much. Maybe I could have taken it here with a stop under here due to that delta divergence on the 2 minute. If it did make a CVD hidden divergence there, it'd be interesting, but I don't know if it does. Okay, so it does. So maybe I could have tried it there. It's not really delta divergence now, but it did break the lows here. It did not break the lows on price, so maybe I could have tried it there at 72s, maybe, and 66, but I wasn't here for that. 72, 66, and target. Well, it's close to that supply, though, so I don't know if I would have taken it there. But because it's so bullish, maybe I would have. I don't quite know. But plan was to long here or long here, and then the short plan was there, so maybe I would have not tried the long because it was so close to my target. But of course it works out, and now I'm back to my charts, and honestly it should have been a no trade day because it had already played out here, about H3 bounce. Now it's going up to H5, but my thesis was that, okay, it's going to pull back a little bit and then go to H5. So I was looking for a pullback and targeting H5. Is that part of my plan? No, not really. I should have never taken it, but delta divergence, B shape. I just liked it. 20 range, delta divergence, CVD hidden divergence forming. So I entered one contract, thankfully just one, because I wasn't dumb enough to take with 2 contracts. But yeah, very quickly I get stopped out here. Because of course it doesn't work out when I'm in it, right? 20 range delta divergence again, 2 minute almost delta divergence. Entered again, stop under the lows here for that pullback. I like that 1 minute delta divergence and the CVD hidden divergence going on here. Big CVD hidden divergence. So once more, get stopped out. Then it rallies again. Finally, I was trying to be really patient with this, but 2 minute delta divergence forms, so is that okay? I didn't get in here, but I'll get in here. I very quickly get stopped out again, and I get stopped out by 2 ticks here, and then it rallies. And that's probably the least confirmations there that could ever happen, really. I probably wouldn't even have taken it, even if I was watching it. Yeah. So then all these buyers get absorbed here and then rallies up to H5, of course, and even further. So yeah, I guess my thought process was right, but honestly, I shouldn't have even taken that. But I tried, and of course, it works out without me. Yeah, story of this past 2 months. So I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, my discipline isn't there. I'm just taking trades. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.